welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on my best tips and tricks on how to get glowing Korean makeup. I've been obsessed with just watching people do glowing glass skin Korean makeup, and I just love it. My skin has been so dry and it's not liking the matte. It just doesn't like it any time of the year. So glowing, radiant, flawless skin is my go-to. If you guys want to see what these Korean makeup tips and tricks are, keep watching. Chiutips. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jen and I post new videos every single week. We talk about beauty, health, skincare, lifestyle, and if you love those topics, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Alright, let's get started to show you guys how I created this cute little Korean makeup look. To start off this look, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with the Oakenford O Brow. You guys know this is one of my new favorite brow pencils, and it just makes my eyebrow hairs look super natural, and it's also the color of my roots, so it makes this whole look very natural and, you know, me. So on the other side of this brow pen is a brush, and I'm just going to magically do the other side. Now I'm going to go into primer. This is a huge thing in Korean makeup, is to make sure that you prime your skin. I'll be using the Marc Jacobs one here, and along with that I'm going to mix it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. I love this drugstore makeup. It's so good for the skin and it just, it's just amazing. I'm also going to use the Guerlain foundation brush. This is a small little brush, great for travel, and it just mixes everything well, and it's small and compact. The bristles and how it's put together makes application of foundation really easy, and you only need a small amount. For instance, if you use a beauty blender, you tend to use a lot more product. So if you want to save product, go with a brush. I love this one just because I can take it anywhere with me. It's super small and it just fits in all the contours of my face. And as you can see, a little goes a long way. I don't put a ton of foundation on, and that's a key in Korean makeup. For concealer, I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. This is definitely more of a heavy-duty concealer. That's why I'm using very little of it. And Korean makeup isn't all about covering everything. It's really about letting your skin shine through. So using concealer for me here is very limited, very small. Nothing too crazy. Then using a brush, I'm going to just blend this in very lightly. The strokes that I'm using, as you can tell, it's not hard. I'm not pressing into my skin super hard. It's just light feathery strokes to give that airbrushed effect. A lot of the time when I'm using concealer, I actually use a lot of it around my nose because the nostril area tends to be quite red for me, and I think for some women that also happens. And so a lot, I feel, of my concealer goes in that area, and also obviously the under eyes. Now let's get into highlight. Korean makeup is all about the skin. You guys already know that. One of my favorite go-to highlighters is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Gel Highlighter, and I put just the tiniest little bit onto my ring finger and apply this onto the nose, high points of the face, on the cheekbones, and it just gives your skin an instant glow. You can tell right away. My skin already looks healthier and just more youthful. I'm going on a little bit of a Marc Jacobs craze right now just because I really do love their makeup products. This is one of my favorite lipsticks that they have, but I found that it gives the most beautiful shine on the eyelid. Just because it's a lipstick or lip gloss doesn't mean it can't be used for other things. I just find that with this glossy lid, it is totally suitable for a Korean makeup look. Now for a winged liner, I'm not going to go crazy and go black. I'm going to go with a dark brown. This pen is actually a MAC pen for your eyebrows. Again, I just don't use things that are typically meant for certain things, and I'm fine with that. To go over the liner, I'm just going to apply a little bit of dark shadow over the liner and then go into curling my lashes with my trusty Chiu Mirror Eyelash Curler. Then I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Mascara. This mascara is incredible. Just look at the difference it makes in my short and straight lashes. I start from the very inner corners and then just build up. For blush, cream blush is the way to go. This is actually a Korean brand, Aritaum, and you might have seen me use this a couple of times in my videos just because it literally makes the most beautiful flush for my face. I got this off YesStyle and I love it. It's super affordable, and cream blushes just make you look really natural and pretty. Then for the lips, I'll be using my EOS lip balm, and then over top the MAC Patent Paint Lip Lacquer. Instead of using the applicator, I'm actually going to put it on my ring finger and then lightly blend it in. This gives a much more subtle and natural look, and I find that with Korean makeup, it's all really about that sort of like stained look, not super perfect, not a whole color throughout. So I love how this Korean makeup look turned out. It's super glowy, very just skin focused, the lips look beautiful, the skin looks really great and radiant, and yeah, that's my look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below with what other videos you guys want to see. I love you, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now!